don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amaganza TV. Order members. Order members. Welcome to Amaganza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mackenzie 1. I'm John Boy.
Sure, Steve. I took Lendota fast in the MTN number 9. Unsapi mina kuitatapek.
Oh, so number 9 guys.
Mina number 9. Uthi mina ngiko top 8. So ngiyambuza ukuthi ngiyapha itatapekini.
Awufuni itatapek vele. Awufuni MTN 8 vele.
No, sebenza ngemali. Sebenza ngemali.
Top 10 la.
So indaba ze MTN so sibona next season.
Awufuni ama-SIM card.
Hayi ama-SIM card awasebenzi.
Imali encane le.
Incane le mali.
Ngiyathola
Sure mfethu.
ngiyathola
Thina 7 million. Next season in 30 minutes.
Nakona question in fact nidlala iCasino top 10 na
Tina asidlali top 10.
obvious nina niqhubibhika nina mfali mama obvious mfethu anzama ukuthitsha
So khuphula standard. Sure.
question yakho yekhoshi ke wathi Thibo
what is Kaizer Chiefs papa
athi what is Kaizer Chiefs
Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is a talented club. Talented club.
big team Mchom before Sivala we expect members what do you expect from Kaizer Chiefs next season?
We expect to go to sign a player and then from there she's already need to face.
The Toyota Cup. We have defended the Toyota Cup.
Sure.
Thank you.